This is our first look at the Parkside Digital Auto Range Multimeter, which is a killer deal for just £13, $12.99, 3-year warranty. Let's open it up and see what we get. So, got got a few buttons here: select, hold, and then you got your switch. Nice, actually feels pretty good. Doesn't feel like it's not super heavy, but it doesn't feel cheap either. Screwdrivers, just a cheap little screwdriver, but it works. And the battery is a Maxwell. Not that I've ever heard of Maxwell really, but it's at least it's alkaline, so it will hopefully give us a pretty long life. We'll just plug it in here, and we will try to wedge that in. So it works. Honestly, the leads, the test leads feel a little cheap to me, but they feel better than other ones I've seen. Which isn't saying all that much. The really cheap ones that they used to sell at Harbor Freight kind of make these look like professional in comparison. But yeah, pretty decent, and it's good to have a multimeter. It's good to have a multimeter around, and the kickstand functionality is pretty good. I kind of wish the edges were rubberized just in case it got, it fell. But other than that, I don't really have a lot to criticize about it. It works. I'll want, it'll give me an opportunity to um, check on certain electronics and learn more how to use it properly. So yeah, I'd say that's pretty good quality. It's not a fluke, but it feels pretty good. And for those of you who don't know, Fluke is a very reputable multimeter brand. So, yeah, I think it's pretty good for £13.